Welcome to Sesderma, doctor. How are you?
I'm great. This is Dr. 𝐼𝐫𝐬𝐡𝐚 Agarwal. I'm from Kolkata in India, and I'm totally ecstatic to be here in Spain, visiting the Sesderma faculty over here.
Is this your first time in Spain?
Absolutely. I've been looking forward to it for many years, and in 10 years, it's my first time here.
And what does it mean to you to come here and to explore the roots of Sesderma?
Listen, Sesderma has a long legacy of beautiful products that I've been using for 10 years, and I've had complete faith in the products. But to see how they are manufactured, where does the raw material come from, what is the manufacturing process, how does it get packaged and then shipped across the world, and meeting Dr. Serrano, the founder of the company, and to see his vision come to fruition, and just everything was magical. It just means my faith is far more in the product that has been ever before.
And let's say, what are the most common skin concerns your patients present with, and how does Sesderma address those needs?
Sesderma is central to my practice in India. The most common aesthetic concerns that my patients come to me for are pigmentation and a lot of dullness on the skin. And three of the products are my absolute favorite. For example, 𝐟𝐫𝐬𝐴ZLAC, which works so well for anti-aging and pigmentation, and it's one of those beautiful products that even contain azelaic acid and retinol, works both for pigmentation and aging. And then we've got the AC glycolic, which is an alpha hydroxyase. It works so well to reduce the dead skin. And finally, the new exosome range from Sesderma, which has been my absolute favorite for the last couple of months, because we do a lot of microneedling procedures, and both the serum and the cream are an absolute fit in my practice to kind of beautify my results even more. So yeah, I mean, I love using Sesderma. My patients are happy, and it has been a key product in my practice for many, many years now.
And finally, among the broad portfolio of Sesderma or Mederma, which is your favorite active ingredient?
𝐼𝐶, no competition ever.